Hello everyone, and welcome to Bumby. Today I want to stay behind the cameras because I'm just having a relaxing pajama day. I'm cleaning, I'm organizing, I'm kind of like decorating for Easter. So, and I wanted to share that I got this little Easter bunny form wreath at the Dollar Tree. And I want to revamp it a little bit, make it more into a farmhouse look. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove this plastic bow. And then I was thinking of maybe, just like, see this little line here? Has a little curve, of maybe adding a little bit of moss all the way around the wreath. And I want to hang this on my kitchen window. So let's see what it looks like, and I'm just going to go ahead and add the moss all the way around the wreath. I think that turned out cute, but I think I'm going to go a little thicker on the bigger wreath here. I think it needs a little more moss. Okay, I think this is looking pretty good. So I'm going to use this burlap white polka dot ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to make here a bow. I want it straight or to the side. I'm going to put it here to the side. Okay, and then I thought I'd add a little daisy that I got at the Dollar Tree the other day. you know what? I could actually add 2. So I think that turned out really cute. Just gonna clean it around the sides for any like loose moss. So now let's hang this up in my kitchen window. And there it is, guys. I think it turned out adorable. I did have to close the window so you could actually see the wreath. Because with the sunlight, it was not picking it up on the camera. But here you go, guys. I think it turned out adorable. It actually just cost me $1 to make because I already had the moss on hand and also the ribbon. So all I did was actually picked up the bunny form at the Dollar Tree. Okay, and then here it is with the window open. As you can see, because of the sunlight hitting it in the back, you really can't see it as good as when I closed the blinds. Thanks guys for joining me today. Hope you guys have a blessed day and we'll see you real soon. Bye bye.